Priyadarshini is going to share her experience in PySpiders.
I am Priyadarshini. I am from Tamil Nadu. I am 2024 passed out. I joined PySpiders in Jan 2024 and I have attended Python full stack programming class. My Python trainer is Keshav sir and my SQL trainer is Alex sir. They both trained me well. Whenever I have some doubts, they will clear us and they will help me to solve all my problems. And I have attended boot camp session every day, and it is very useful to revise my subjects, and it is very useful to solve the problems in the boot camp session.
Okay. How helpful the programming class was?
Programming class in that it is useful to solve the programs and using my own logics, and so it is very useful to solve.
I wish all the best for our career and further.